everybody. I am going to read you a story. And the story that I have chosen today is Machines at Work. And somebody always draws pictures and writes words to go with the books. And so I'm going to read the words and show you the pictures. So, look at all these guys marching. They're going to work. Hey, you guys. Let's get to work. Knock down that building. See the machine that they use for that? Can you see that big ball? It's strong enough that it can break the bricks. Now look at that machine. It's called a bulldozer. Bulldoze that tree. So they're going to take the tree out. Dig up that road. See that jackhammer? Have you ever heard a jackhammer? It is so noisy. You'd have to wear earplugs to have that job. Load up that truck. Wow, these people work hard. There's a dump truck. Dump that rubble. Oh, I bet they like this part. You know what they're doing? Let's eat lunch. They're all sitting on a bench, aren't they? Or on a piece of the road. Next, dig a hole. Wow, look at that. See the cement mixer? Mix the cement. And then they guide it out of that slippery slide. That's a chute. They call that a chute. And it will go down into what they're making, a sidewalk or a road or a foundation for a house. Lift that beam. This machine has such a high part right here. You can't even see it. They couldn't get it all in the picture. That's called a crane. They couldn't get all of the crane in the picture, could they? It's so tall to hold up that heavy, heavy beam. Look at what they're making. Build that building. Build that road. Okay, stop the machines. Why are they stopping? What's your guess? Let's go home. It's the end of the workday. So they're going to go home. Even though the job's not done all the way, they're going to go home to their families. And you know what? There's more work to do tomorrow. That was a fun book, wasn't it? Thanks for listening.